Welcome back, Davey D over here, Lena Girl over there, doing the Shakas and Shoutouts hula over here. Shakas and Shoutouts. First of all, Shakas and Shoutouts to the Lahaina Restoration Foundation. This Friday, it debuts a Hoʻi Ka Nani Moku'ula, Let the Glory Return to Moku'ula at the Maui Ocean Center.
Moku'ula, a tiny island in Lahaina, was once the private residence of Kaua'i Kamehameha III. Today, the island lies buried beneath Malu'ulu, Olele Park, inaccessible to the public.
You know, this immersive film will transport you into the heart of Moku'ula's rich history and cultural legacy through a powerful and evocative film. If you want to get tickets, you can go to kitv.com/links and click on Lahaina Restoration Foundation. It's going to be like a 360 immersive film, sis.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that there was an island buried underneath that area.
Yeah, I definitely want to watch this movie. It's going to be awesome. Now, from Maui, we go to Kaua'i. Shakas and Shoutouts to the Kaua'i Society of Artists. KSA has provided Kaua'i artists with exhibition opportunities as well as offering lectures and educational workshops since 1983.
Now, one of its exhibits is on display right now at Kukui Grove Center in Lihue. The exhibit, titled Wings and Woodlands, a tribute to native birds and forests, is the latest Makahiki o Nā Manu Nahele event in Hawaii.
On Wednesday and Thursday, sis, check out the Kahili Pa'alima workshop with Kumuka'eo Bradford. You know the one you can hold, the kahili you hold in your hand. There is a fee for supplies for that class, but to check out the displays free. If you want more information, check out kitv.com/links and click on Wings and Woodlands, a tribute to native birds and forests. And finally, Shakas and Shoutouts to Kuilima Farm over there in Kahuku on the North Shore. It's hosting its third annual Fall Festival this weekend from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Admission is $12 pre-sale online or $15 at the door. Keiki ages 4 and under are free.
That's right. Just take a leisure drive out to Kahuku to check out tractor rides, fall photo ops, seasonal produce and plants for sale, family fun, and live performances throughout the weekend. There's also going to be a petting zoo with sheep, lambs, bunnies, ducks, chickens, guinea pigs, a tortoise, a mini pony, but no squirrels.
Oh, well, you got to bring up Peanut again. Now, if you want to get more information about the Kuilima Farms at the Fall Festival, Fall Fair, you try to say that real quick. That's probably not even the name. What is it called again?
The Fall Festival.
Yes, go to kitv.com/links and click on Kuilima's Farms Fall Festival.
Kuilima Farms Fall Festival. We got you, brother.
We got a brag for. All right, Lihue Koholokula is back with what we need to know for today. Hi, Le.
And I thought my name was a tongue twister.
I know, you got your name right. Shakas and Shoutouts to you.
Thank you. Oh, to her, not me.
No, to you, Le.
You just get shakas. Hey, we got more stories, guys. So let's talk about this one. We want to talk about the